Hi, welcome everybody to the Athena Security iPhone app install on how to use it. Go ahead and open up the App Store, click on Temperature Alerts, search for it. Once you search for it, go ahead and install the app that's called Temperature Alerts. It should download to your iPhone. Once you have it downloaded, you can open up the app. It's going to prompt you for notifications. You click Allow, type in your user ID and password for demo purposes, Demo 1. And whatever password you're going to use, you type it in. Once you have your user ID and password, you're going to open it up. You're going to see upper right hand corner, you want to click on the filters. Make sure all filters are checked off so you can see all types of alerts. Once the alerts are there, you can click on them, receive notifications of new ones coming in. That's pretty much all you need to know. All the alerts will be there. If you click on them, they'll get bigger. Thanks so much. Have a good day.